Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can go ahead and add an image gallery to your SharePoint site. We did another video where we added a individual image, but maybe you guys have a photo shoot that you want to add to your website, or maybe you have some sort of page that advertises an event and you have multiple images from the event. So what you want to do if you want to go ahead and add that image gallery is you just come over to Edit, and you just want to find the section where you want to go ahead and add your image gallery. We'll keep the thing going of replacing our same web part over and over. So once you click on this and you scroll down through the various web parts, the option you're looking for is called Image Gallery. And once we do that, we can come over to Add Images. Assuming you're not going to want to use stock images, you can go ahead and upload whatever images you want to add to your gallery. And once they're there, you can go ahead and click on, actually, let me just go ahead and add my stock images first. Okay, and then once you do that, it may show differently for you, but this is the default layout that it shows for the images, and you could always add more here by clicking on Add. But let's say these are all the images that we want to have. In case you don't see this image gallery option off to the right, if you just go ahead and click on Edit Properties, you can come over here and you can go ahead and change the layout. So we can change it to a brick type layout, or we can do a carousel. And once you do this option, users can actually scroll through so that it doesn't take up as much, well, I don't know, maybe users just want to show one image at a time, so it gives you an option to do it that way too. And you can also do a grid layout, so automatically cycle through images. And this just lets you guys determine how many seconds you use in between your images. I almost never use the carousel option, so that's why this one's new to me. But that's a cool feature to have, that you can set it to automatically or not automatically switch through the images. And then once you're good to go with your gallery, assuming you don't want to add any more images, you're happy with the layouts, everything looks good, you can always move it if you want to. So same thing with all the web parts, you can just come over here and drag it wherever you want it to be. You come over to Republish. And now we have this gallery on our page, and users can scroll through all the different images.